Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to use this Node SDK. Before using this SDK, you should make sure in your system Node is installed 15 or higher version. So basically, this SDK support 4 features: create order, fetch order, EMI calculation, hash verify. So let's get started. First you need to extract the zip file. In the zip file, you get the Node SDK, sample app and documentation for this SDK. Open in the VS Code. Open the terminal. Go to the Node SDK directory. cd Node SDK. Here we need to install the Node modules. npm I. Also we need to install the Node module in our sample app. So go to the sample app directory. Here is also we install the Node module successfully. Now we need to link our Node SDK to our sample app. So npm link and path of our SDK. So here is Node SDK. Now we need to install the SDK. npm I and path of SDK. So Node SDK is successfully linked. So in sample app view section, here is a for hash form, fetch, EMI form and app.js. So need to run this sample app node app.js command. App is running on port number 3000. So open in the browser localhost 3000. This is how our sample app looks like. Here is the predefined details with the 4 option: create order, fetch EMI option, hash verification, and the other details, customer details, billing, shipping address, additional. This is the optional details, but merchant ID, access code, secret, gateway mode, transaction ID, amount in paisa, callback URL, product code, product amount, payment mode is a mandatory. So let's get started with the transaction flow. So we need to enter the transaction ID like this. This is my transaction. Click on the pay now button. Here is a redirection of and open the page of Pine Lab. So here is a option net banking UPI wallet. So net banking, select the bank, pay now and success and submit. So here is the callback response of transaction. Transaction message is success and here is a hash. So we also verify this by hash verification. Now we need to fetch the details. So here is our transaction ID. Click on the fetch order details and paste the transaction ID here. Click on the fetch details. Here is a response. And third is fetch EMI offer. So here is a predefined details. When you click on the fetch EMI option, you get this response. Issuer list, EMI tenure, offer, scheme, product details like this. And fourth is hash verification. So hash verification, here is a callback. So copy the whole content and paste the here. So we here check the callback response. Click on the hash verify button and you get the message hash verification success. If we change the secret here like this, I remove the 6 and then click on the hash verify, then hash verification is failed. Now check the hash verification of fetch details. Copy the content and paste it here. Click on hash verify. Now hash verification is successful. So in this way you can test the sample app. Thank you.